Have you seen the headlines that the housing market is cooling? Does that mean prices will drop? Hi, we're Orfeo and Judy with Latitude Group Real Estate, brokered by EXP. As you follow the news, you're likely seeing headlines discussing what's going on in today's housing market. Chances are high that some of the more recent storylines you've come across mention terms like cooling or slowing when talking about where the market is headed.
But what do those terms mean? The housing market today is anything but normal, and it's still an incredibly strong seller's market, especially when compared to a few years leading up to the pandemic. With that in mind, what can previous years tell us about today's real estate market, and if it's truly slowing? We're still seeing an above average number of sales. You may see headlines about a drop in home sales, but are those headlines telling the full story? The most recent existing home sales report from the National Association of Realtors does show a drop of about 2% from July to August this year. But the month-over-month decline doesn't provide the full picture. As the graph shows, historical context is key. Today's home sales are well ahead of some of the more normal years that led up to the health crisis. That means buyers are still in the market, which is great news if you're planning to list your home.
Houses are selling faster than usual. When headlines mention the market is slowing, sellers may naturally wonder if their house will sell as quickly as they'd like. According to the most recent Realtors Confidence Index from NAR, National Association of Realtors, homes are still selling at record speed, as this graph shows. Again, if we look back at data from previous years, we can see the average time on market, 17 days, means homes are selling faster than a normal pace. Bidding wars are still the norm. The Realtors Confidence Index also shows a drop in the average number of offers homes are receiving in August. And many headlines may simply focus there without providing the important context. This graph shows it's most important to compare today's market to trends from recent years. The average number of offers per listing was higher than 39 of the previous 45 months. That means the likelihood of a bidding war on your home is still high, and the number of offers your house receives can have a major influence on the final sales price.
So is the market slowing down? While there is a slight decline in various month-to-month data, it's important to keep historical context in mind when determining what's happening in today's market. Odetta Kushi, Deputy Chief Economist at First American, put it best recently saying, "It's not the white-hot market from earlier in the year, and it's not the 2020 market benefiting from a wave of pent-up demand. But make no mistake, this is still a hot housing market." What's the bottom line here? Don't let headlines make you rethink listing your home this season.
Selling today means you can still take advantage of high buyer demand, multiple offers, and a quick sale. If you're looking to trade up or down, relocate or invest, the Latitude Group Real Estate is here to help you every step of the way. To find out your current home value in today's market, type sellatsaltlake.com.